the Humans of Hemp podcast. Be part of the conversations we've never had and the stories we've never shared. So, let's dive in. Let's hear from one of the humans of hemp, like as we call it, that what this human is up to in the field of hemp.
So, my name is Jaya Guliani, and I've been a corporate lawyer last 24 years. And last year I wanted to start something creative, get out of the legal field. So I had many ideas, but one idea that constantly stayed with me was for hemp. So I started a private limited company, and I thought, what products do I want to create? I was thinking of beauty products. But in my mind, I knew I wanted to do a hemp coffee blend. Around the same time, I came across the FSSAI notification legalizing the hemp seeds. So I was like, wow, now I can actually create my vision into reality. So it took me some time to find the experts. I had to find the coffee experts, which I did in Bangalore. They are trained at the Coffee Board of India, Berico. So they have helped me in sourcing out the best Arabica coffee from South India. And I've also collaborated with Boheco to get the highest quality certified seeds, because they come with certification. And that's very important in the industry, that whatever product I'm giving in the market is with highest certification. So we created this blend hemp coffee, which is a specialty hemp coffee. And I would love everybody to try it out, because it doesn't contain any THC. That's the major query everybody has, that if I have this coffee, will I get a high? And I'm just constantly telling people it has no THC content. You can make it a part of your mainstream.
Also, people are a little disappointed, no, when you tell them that it's not going to give you a high.
Yeah,
Have you come across people
but
like
every day you don't need to be on a high. In the morning, you can just want to have a cup of coffee to energize you and get going. And the advantage is, people who drink a lot of coffee, they get jitters. So this helps you calm yourself down a bit, but it keeps the energy levels high.
Yeah.
And it's giving you omegas, protein, fiber, vitamin, mineral, everything.
Yeah.
Of course, as you have it through the month, you'll get the benefits of it.
Yes.
Not with just one cup of coffee.
Yes.
So that's the advantage.
So, any particular reason why you chose the hemp nutrition?
Because it just requires my FSSAI licenses.
Yes.
I don't have to get into other licensing, which is more critical and crucial.
Yes.
And it requires much more lab testing and all than a regular FSSAI product. I will get into that after some time.
Yeah. But how's the response been for this particular product?
Everybody was very surprised. Oh, hemp coffee, and everybody tried it out. And people who love pure Arabica, black coffees, really enjoyed it.
Yes.
But with this simple blend, you can create cold coffees, espresso, cappuccinos, everything.
Yeah.
So after some time, I will be putting out those videos on how to actually create these blends at home.
Nice. So, your vision with the whole industry of hemp in India, and whatever you met people here, how do you see the vision of hemp, in India? How do you see it?
So hemp is a very big growing sector, but people need to change their mindsets and get over that stigma that hemp is something bad. It's a magical plant, versatile plant, giving you so many health benefits.
Yeah.
So people need to have an open mind to try it out.
What is your opinion about, the government on the state level, some other law at the country level? Since you understand law very well, and the criminalization around it.
Yes.
Is there some way that, that can be handled?
Yeah, so in some countries they do legalize, and after some time they backtrack themselves.
Yes.
But I think India is on the right track with the FSSAI notification that came. I was very surprised.
Yes.
And I was so excited. I'm like, wow, they're actually legalizing this. And so much stuff can happen in the food and beverage industry, and promote Indian products. These absolutely fabulous coffees from South India, mixed with the hemp which is coming from North India, and promote our products.
That's
for a healthy living.
Do you see that a community is really helpful?
Yes. I actually reached out to people on LinkedIn. I was so new in this field.
Yes.
And whenever I needed information, help from other companies, they've always been very helpful. They give me information when I want.
I think that's about it.
Thank you so much.
Definitely when the thing comes
So do log on and buy the coffee and try it out.
I will definitely make it a part of my curation. I'll definitely do it.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you.